for everybody who is looking to find assets in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or other non-fungible type assets. There's a great article from the U.S. Department of Justice where the court has now authorized summons for unknown subjects, John Doe subjects, seeking identities of U.S. taxpayers who have used cryptocurrency. So it used to be that cryptocurrency was thought to be completely anonymous and you could use it to hide assets and launder money. But a federal court entered an order in order to serve John Doe summons on a financial company to find out who was trading cryptocurrencies. And we have tools we use all the time in our investigations that look for cryptocurrency asset flows and flow of funds and chain of type asset transactions. Those who transact with cryptocurrency must meet tax obligations like any other taxpayer, right? And U.S. Department of Justice will ensure cryptocurrencies pay their taxes, so they can find them too. If they can find them, anybody can find them, right? The John Doe summons is a step to enable IRS to uncover those who are failing to properly report their virtual transactions. Just because it's cryptocurrency and it's not actual cash doesn't mean that it's not discoverable, right? It is a record. In fact, it may have more of a record than cash. If I hand you a $100 bill, there's no record of that transaction. If I send you $100 in cryptocurrency, there's a record of that transaction. It may not be a record that's public. It may not be a record that's at a bank. There's still a record of it. And even though the keys and the other things may seem like they're anonymous, there are tools to track them based on IP addresses, based on wallets, based on other type of connections. So these, what they call digital representations of value, they may be difficult to trace and have a pseudo-anonymous aspect. That's the key word, pseudo, right? It's not completely anonymous. And these are ways to do it. There are summons that you can put on an exchange, a digital exchange, that will show where that money went, where it was turned into fiat currency or it was cashed out. So cryptocurrency, it may be a good investment, it may be a hot trendy subject, but it's not something that is completely hidden. Back in the 70s and 80s, it was all offshore accounts and Swiss bank accounts. Well, those at some point became breachable. Same thing with cryptocurrency. It's not all it's cracked up to be. And the IRS is onto it, and so are asset recovery experts who know how to track down these type of hidden assets.